It was a sweet Monday. We headed to Irene Dairy Farm. Just me, my wife, and baby Fizah. We walked around, picking a spot. Took a while, but we found the one. Fizah sat calm between us. One of those perfect quiet moments. My wife and sister grabbed chocolate milkshakes, excited, chatting, juggling baby duties. She stood there, milkshake in one hand, Fizz in the other, confident and glowing. Then the pizzas came, bolognese, triple cheese, and boerewors. Unreal. We didn't waste time. The pizza disappeared fast. Wrapped it up, paid the bill, left a little tip. Best part, Fizz petting a baby cow. Simple Monday, perfectly done.